Well, here we are, Millie and Mikey. The day after the snowstorm, and it looks like most of the snow is gone, except for the snow on the cars. Mikey's a little bit happier today because the snow is all over the place, and Millie's just moving along, happy to be out. And Mikey's now pulling up the rear because I think he's got to pee on this bag or something, because that's what he does. This is his favorite pole to pee on. Anyway, and Millie's just smelling. She doesn't pee on stuff because she doesn't have to mark it. She's just peeing next to it. Anyway, the snow is pretty much gone. And it was a big snowstorm last night. Well, not really that big. We haven't had that big of snow in New York in a long time. Anyway, we are just strolling along. Millie's in the lead. Mikey's taking up the rear. And I am here. Thank you so much for watching. A quick little stroll with Millie and Mikey. See you guys later.